This is our sheep company. Come with us today to get ready to take our sheep to Idaho.
Today we're loading them into a corral, so tomorrow when we take them up to our ranch in Idaho, they'll be all ready. So we've been keeping them here at Young Living Farms because they eat the grass out of the lavender fields and it keeps the lavender healthy. We're gonna go herd them and bring them in here. So we kind of had problems getting them over here, like they got out once or twice, but finally got them in. So they're all ready for tomorrow morning when we're gonna have a semi come and take them up to the ranch. Good morning guys, we're here now and we're loading them up to the semi and we're gonna go take them out to the ranch. Cussing, some dust, and a lost sheep later, finally got them loaded. So now we're off to the ranch. Now we're here at the ranch, and so now we're gonna unload our sheep. Let's go do it.
We just unloaded them off the semi. Now we're gonna let them free on the range.
We've got them already here. We're gonna have them graze in this front kind of pasture area for a few days, and then we're gonna have them go graze out in the fields.
If you like this video, like and subscribe for the next upcoming videos.